In this video, we will see how to generate the .cir file from the schematic file of the LTspice. Okay, let us close this. Okay, so we have a simple stable multivibrator circuit which is drawn in the LTspice schematic window. Now, to generate the CAR, first we need to see the netlist. For this, you have to go to View, okay, and go to the click on Spice Netlist. Okay, so if you see the Spice Netlist, it shows basically the connections of this particular circuit. Okay, and also the library from where it is taken. So this particular circuit has also the netlist also has all the text that is added here as star. So first let us take this netlist and right click on this netlist and click on edit as independent netlist, and let us save it in the same circuit. Okay, once you save it, you see here, you can see it, you can see the .car with all the text transformed into an independent netlist. So this can be used for some of the simulation related purposes where the .car is used and all. We'll talk in another videos. So this is the way we can generate the .car from the .asc file, and if you open the folder, okay, you will actually see that the .car is in the same folder as this particular circuit. Okay, so just generate this way.